Color is the language of the world, the expression of emotions, and a powerful tool in business. However, traditional printing technologies often cause colors to lose their soul. The Nova All-in-One DTF printer features a sleek, stylish design with a strong sense of technology. Stand out with the color results of a traditional multi-color printer in just 4 colors. This printer is equipped with Brothers 4-color printheads, which offer excellent durability for high-precision printing results. When these high-performance printheads operate, each precisely ejected ink droplet forms a scientifically calibrated ratio on the printing surface. Just like carefully brushing colors when painting. Too thin and the base shows through, too thick and the ink pools unevenly. The ink droplets from Nova's printhead are 1.5 times larger than standard printers, ensuring precise coverage with no waste or missed spots. Let's test how it performs differently than a traditional 4-color printers. First, we import the same picture on the computer and hand it over to 2 machines to print separately. Observation shows that the Nova All-in-One machine operates with significantly reduced noise levels, while its built-in automatic powder recycling system makes operation noticeably more convenient compared to other devices. Next, let's take a look at the final printed results from the 2 machines. It's evident that prints produced by the Nova All-in-One printer deliver superior color reproduction and pinpoint accuracy. Side by side with Epson? You'll be hard-pressed to spot the difference. That's how good our color fidelity is. Outperforming conventional standards, Nova All-in-One printer matches Epson's 6-pass results with just 4 passes, more efficient, equally precise. Such exceptional color performance, does it come at a premium cost? The answer is no. The Nova All-in-One DTF printer, equipped with a Brother printhead, not only delivers superior performance but also far surpasses comparable products in overall cost effectiveness. It saves you money while providing an exceptional color experience and tangible benefits, undoubtedly the best choice after careful consideration. Stunning color performance, true-to-life printing with 4-color printheads that perfectly replicates original hues. Unrivaled cost efficiency, achieves multicolor printer quality with just 4 inks, slashing ink consumption by up to 40%. Unbeatable value, maximize your ROI with industry-leading efficiency, premium printing made effortlessly productive. Choose Nova All-in-One DTF printer now and redefine what's possible in color printing.